at our vocabulary for today. The first word we have is liquid capacity. Capacity or liquid capacity is how much liquid can be held in a container. So if you look at this container, the capacity of this container is how much liquid can be held in it. So how much water or how much liquid can be inside of it. So there's different units of capacity. So our customary units, the units we use in the United States, we have fluid ounces, cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. The metric units, what they use in the rest of the world, they have milliliters, which is ml, and they have liters, which is L. So capacity units, they're the different sized units to measure how much a container can hold. And we're going to look at different examples of those in a minute. Here is our anchor chart for capacity. So the tools that we can use for capacity are graduated cylinders, measuring cups, jugs, any kind of object that is able to hold a liquid. So you should see these from different science lessons that you may have done in the past. Remember, there are customary units, which is what we use in the United States. So we have fluid ounces, which are just to hold just a little bit of water. Then we have cups, we have pints, quarts, and gallons. For the metric units, we have milliliters, which is just a couple of drops of water, like as much water as you could put on a spoon. And we have liters. So like my water bottle right here, this is a liter of water. So we're going to look at different examples in a minute. I'll see you in the next video.